Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. I'm back, guys. All right, first thing I want you to do is go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video, okay? Now, I'm back today with the Conversion Pros. The Conversion Pros is a marketing system, okay? If you want to become an affiliate and learn how to make money online or want to make money online, period, you need a marketing system, guys. That's something no one told me years and years ago when I first came online. So I'm telling you, this is step one, okay, to getting started, okay? A marketing system. And I've been using this one for 3 years. Okay, and it's absolutely free for 2 weeks. They do not ask you for a credit card or anything. Okay, just go and sign up, and you get full access to everything. There's no upsells with this. It is what it is. $50 every month, and they split the commission with you. So for everyone you refer to the Conversion Pros, you make $25. Okay, and not just one time. That's every month, over and over, as long as the person or people keep their membership. Okay, it's a membership. As long as they keep the membership, you get paid 25 over and over and over and over and over. Okay, and they pay every Friday like clockwork. Okay, I'm going to show you real quick. I don't talk enough about it. I use the system, but I don't really show you guys, and I've showed you in the past, but I'm going to do a little bit more on showing you the value of the Conversion Pros, okay? Because it's a great residual income, and it has a plethora of training in this back office, okay? For a lot of people that go, hey, I'm new online, I don't know where to start. With the Conversion Pros, not only are you getting a marketing system, but you're getting trained as an affiliate. I'm just going to go through a little bit of it, and I want to show you something here, okay? So just hang on with me. Okay, I'm logged in my back office of the Conversion Pros, and I just want to show you to the left. Let's focus on affiliate training, okay? That's what everybody out here needs, affiliate training, okay? And typically we buy other systems to teach us how to become an affiliate and how to make money online. We buy the courses and all that, and that's great. I have those courses as well. But for you to have the marketing system, okay, a lot of times that's rare to have a marketing system that also will train you to be an affiliate. Okay, doesn't matter what you're promoting, it's universal affiliate marketing training. So it doesn't matter what you're promoting, they teach you. It's global, so it doesn't matter who's using it. Everybody can use the affiliate training. Okay, so you're getting 2 for 1. So not only are you getting the marketing system, but you're getting trained as an affiliate, okay, by the owner. That's a 6- and 7-figure earner, the owners, okay? So let me just show you. So when you log in the Conversion Pros, you click on affiliate training, okay? It shows you, it takes you right here, and it tells you here's all your websites, your credit wallet, your payout options, your payout requests, okay? So let's just click affiliate training because I just want to show you something here, okay? TCP affiliate training. All these videos, it takes you through the affiliate side of TCP, okay? So this is universal. Doesn't matter what you're promoting. Again, this training can help you, okay? So you can use this system to help you with your primary business, okay? Let's just click through all these here. Then it talks about how you can make a residual income with TCP, okay? I'm just going to keep going. How to find affiliate sites. All this is affiliate training, guys, okay? So you're getting training and you're getting a marketing system all under one roof for $50, okay? Learn how to market, learning how to market.
Okay, now you built some pages or lead magnets or share codes, and you're ready to get out there and get some leads. You probably want to know how. Well, we're going to share with you a couple different social network tricks and tips to use that get our members tons of leads, and this will definitely put you on the fast track.
So that's Dave Dubs, one of the owners, and he's just talking about how he's going to show you how to market. Okay, see, market on Facebook. So it's teaching you as an affiliate how to promote your business, whatever it is. Here's something, a niche, bad credit okay? And we have capture pages for whatever market you're in. Doesn't matter what your niche is, okay? So you just go through your back office, guys, and your training is in here. Check this out. Market on Craigslist. We all know that's a hot item. Let's watch this real quick.
Several ways to generate leads on Craigslist, and some of them are hit or miss. And Craigslist does not really like home-based business stuff. So you got to be smart about what you post on Craigslist.
So we have that in TCP, okay? Market on Craigslist, okay? And you just keep going through here, clicking the next step. How to follow up with your pre-enrollees. So for an example, if someone signs up, okay, they haven't paid yet, okay, and it tells you how to follow up with them, okay? How to get trials. All this is in your back office, okay? How to get trials to convert. We have webinars. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. So you're getting trained to be an affiliate to help you promote your business, your primary business. And if you don't have a primary business, you can just promote TCP, okay? They pay $25 over and over and over, okay? For everybody you refer to this system. So this doesn't interfere with what you're doing, okay? So whatever you're promoting, this does not interfere. In actuality, it enhances that, okay? Because it's going to help you promote your primary business, okay? So, and here's another video on the pay plan, okay? And it's just training. So you get affiliate training. Now I want you to watch this little short video, okay? Of this new system that we have. It's called Get Paid Every Friday. So I want you to check this out real quick.
You're here for two simple reasons. You want more time and you want more money. What if I could show you how to have both? And I know what you're thinking. I've tried it all before, freaking world, only finding myself more broke and more confused. I, for one, am sick of seeing people struggle. This failure trend has got to stop. Making money doesn't have to be complex or intimidating. In fact, it should be quite the opposite. So here's the deal. I'm going to give you a simple system that can potentially bring you huge weekly commissions and monthly passive income. No, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme designed to take your money and leave you broke. In fact, you can get started 100% free, no credit card required. Here's how it works. Thousands of people all over the world are looking for two things just like you: more money and more time freedom. We are going to show you how to give out the same system you're looking at right now to those people just like you. Since everyone can get started for free, there is no pushback or excuses like, I can't afford this free system. Not only that, but our system does all the explaining on your behalf, which can result in ridiculous weekly paychecks into your bank account. Introducing the Paid Every Friday system. Our system is built through one of the most cutting-edge marketing platforms. We provide a quality service in high demand, and we're about to give you all the resources you need to generate automated income on the internet. The Paid Every Friday system is available in over 57 countries and has created countless success stories. You have the opportunity right now to test out our entire system for free for 14 days so we can prove to you this works. As you follow our step-by-step training and implement our proven techniques, you and those you refer will automatically want to upgrade after the free trial. For each customer you refer who upgrades, you get paid $25. And no, that's not just one time. You get paid week after week, month after month. Here's what that looks like. 50 members, $1,250 per month. 100 members, $2,500 per month. 250 members, $6,250 per month. 400 members, $10,000 per month. There are people in our company right now making $20K plus per month. Why? Because this works. It's time to stop seeing others make all the money while you watch and wonder how they're doing it. If you're ready to see our system in action and start changing your life, fill in your details below and we'll explain more on the next page. We're excited to help you finally earn real passive income and obtain financial freedom and success.
Okay, guys, TCP, the Conversion Pros, the marketing system that I've been using for 3 years. I make videos. I create capture pages with the videos. It's just so much creativity that you can do with the Conversion Pros to brand yourself, okay? So, with that being said, I want you to go ahead and click that link below. Go ahead and take that 2-week trial. Check it out. Get with me if you have a business that you're already promoting, and let me help you create a sales funnel for that business, okay, using the Conversion Pros, okay? So, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside of the Conversion Pros. You guys have a blessed day.